Welcome to Chavi's channel. It's been a while that I have not posted any new videos on YouTube because I was busy with my academics, but from now on I'll make sure that I'll post regularly. So today I'm back with another new video, and today's video is about a yummy recipe which is your favorite and my favorite, the vegetable biryani. So my mom will be today's cook and I will be assisting her. Are you excited to learn a delicious recipe? So let's get started with the ingredients. So here are the ingredients that we need to make vegetable biryani in pressure cooker, half kg quantity. First is washed and soaked basmati rice, chopped vegetables, potato, beans and carrot, biryani masala, garam masala, chopped pudina and coriander leaves, some curd, green chilies, garlic paste, chopped onions and paneer, which we are going to fry later, and salt, chili powder, oil are mandatory. So first we need to add oil and some ghee in the cooker and garam masala, chopped onion, after this turns slightly brown, we need to add garlic paste. Coriander and pudina leaves. Add a pinch of turmeric. Mix thoroughly. Add the chopped vegetables. Mix well.
Yeah, split chilies.
Yes, also add split chilies. Add some dhania powder, salt as per taste, chili powder, till they turn soft. Close with the lid. Add some curd. While adding curd, put the stove on sim. Also, we enjoy some nice music while cooking. Hi, Mummy. After adding curd, close the lid for 2 minutes. Meanwhile, we can fry paneer pieces. Roast the paneer. Add
haldi, karamu.
When the vegetables are half boiled, add rice, which we soaked previously. Mix gently.
so that rice will not be broken. So we add them all required water. What is that?
Add water
2 glasses.
of 2 glasses. Wow, this is one of my favorite songs. Add biryani masala. Meanwhile, we have also added chopped onions to oil for garnishing at the end.
Roasted.
Oh baby Achin. Now because
Now close the cooker lid until 2 whistles. Meanwhile, the paneer is getting roasted and also the onions. When the biryani is cooking, we enjoy some beautiful songs. Ilavanide bubblegum, antukunnadante podanamu. Buttabamma, nanu suttukuntive. First whistle. Third whistle. Turn off the flame. So our fried onions, roasted paneer and pudina leaves, coriander leaves are ready for garnishing. It's raining outside, guys.
Yeah.
So now we have just opened. It looks mouth-watering. Wow. Superan mamu. And now the paneer pieces which we have roasted and the onions which we have fried. Now we will garnish the biryani with these. Close the lid for 5 minutes to get the flavor of the onions.
So it's made.
When we add the fried onions and close the lid, we get the flavor of dum biryani. So that is why we need to keep the lid closed for 5 minutes at least to get the flavor of dum biryani in vegetable biryani pressure cooker. And now we open the lid. It looks heavenly. Wow, I can't wait to eat. Take the biryani to a serving plate. So the biryani is ready and all set to eat with raita. So let's taste yummy biryani. So the yummy biryani is on my plate and I'm going to have it. It's superb, guys. It just tastes so yum, so heavenly. I must say, truly my mom is a biryani queen. I'm adding some raita. And it tastes more nice with raita. So guys, if you like my video, please do hit the like button, share it with your friends, and don't forget to try vegetable biryani and subscribe to Charvi's channel. Bye bye.